it's nothing but the rubber ball.
Rubber ball?
Morning Glory, bro. Check it out.
It's all just like goofy ass ringtones.
Check it out.
Bro, those ringtones would actually blow up on TikTok. Holy shit.
Bro, especially this one, bro.
Oh my god, I'm Bro.
Wait, what does it sound like?
It's so loud. I'm recording right now. I've been recording. That's the funniest thing ever. Wait, do rubber ball again. It's just sound, bro. It's just actually sound. Holy shit.
What is it? What is this? What is wood?
Skeleton ass ringtone.
What is travel? Bro, what is time up? Bro, what the hell is this? Not this, bro.
Oh shit. Oh my god, my mom's calling me.
Okay. What is this?
Hey mom.
What?
I'm sorry.
What is this?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
What is this?
I'm sorry. Okay.
Bro, what is this one? Bro, it came back again! God damn, bro. I have 100 alarms of donkey. Just donkey.